Hello and welcome again to a new episode from Spice and Easy Kitchen. We hope you are always in the best condition, and today's recipe is a big cake. It is a family size cake and we hope today's recipe will please you. Here I have 4 cups using the same glass size which equals 400 grams. I have here 3/4 of a cup of sugar, although the original measure is 1½ cups. But I always reduce the sweetness by half, and I have here squeezed lemon and 1½ cups of oil. I have 3 baking powder sachets and 2 vanilla sachets. I have 1 tablespoon of vinegar and a pinch of salt, and I have 5 eggs. And now we move to the method. I have added the eggs into the electric blender and I will add the sugar. A small pinch of salt and 2 sachets of vanilla. I will blend everything until the mixture becomes pale. After blending the mixture until it becomes pale like this, I will add 1½ cups of oil, squeezed lemon, one tablespoon of vinegar, then I blend again and pour the mixture into a bowl. I add 1 cup of milk, which I forgot earlier. I mix well and then I add the flour. I add the sifted flour. I add the baking powder and each sachet is 8 grams. Then I start mixing. This is the consistency that we need. Just follow the ingredients exactly and the cake will be successful. 100%. I pour the batter into the mold. I decorate it with a little sliced almonds, which is optional. You can choose to toast the sliced almonds at the end. After baking, you can brush the cake with jam and add the toasted almonds. You always have the freedom to choose, and we hope this recipe will please you. This cake turns out great and is perfect for a family size. I place it in the oven at 180 degrees with heat from below. Once it rises well, I turn on the top heat and we will see the final result. The cake is baked and has risen nicely. I will remove it from the mold after it cools slightly. This is the final result of our cake and you can see how tall it is. It looks beautiful and 1 cake is enough for many people. I will cut it like this. You can see how thick it is and the texture. We hope you liked this recipe and do not forget to like and subscribe and activate the bell to receive new recipes and see you in the next video.